Hi Rancho Maverick teachers. I thought I would do a quick little tutorial on how I use Screencast-O-Matic to make my videos with the little video inside of it. So I use Screencast-O-Matic, so you're just going to click on Screencast-O-Matic. I'm already logged in, but you can just log in using Google. That's the quickest and easiest way. I use the free one because it gives you plenty of things to do. You're going to click on My Videos. I save all of my videos to a YouTube account. I created one really quickly, and I just make it so only people with the links can see the videos. But when you're in this particular page, it has this little camera here. You just click on Launch Recorder. Hopefully this is going to work while I'm recording. We'll see. And what happens is you'll get it usually down here it'll have a pop-up but that doesn't say already open, but on the bottom of your screen it'll say Launch Recorder, and then at the top of your screen it asks for permission. Once you hit that, you're then going to get a little like dotted box that you can change the size of. Once you've done that, you can then do all kinds of stuff with your video recorder. You can say that you want to just be you. You can say you just want it to be the screen, or you can say that you want the screen along with a small little video picture of yourself. So it's really simple to use. There's just a little record button at the bottom. You hit pause. If you don't like what you did, you hit the trash can and you start over. If you have any questions on Screencast-O-Matic, just email me. It's very, very simple to use, and it's free. Have fun practicing with it.